that's important is the environment. Practical scenarios.
Hi guys, welcome back. For those of you who are new, hi, I'm Shema. I'm currently a third year medical student studying in Australia. I'm international, so I was born and raised in Nairobi, Kenya, and welcome to my channel. So guys, it's currently 12:10 p.m. Monday the 27th of April. Happy Monday. I think I haven't updated you guys, but this semester I'm only doing 3 modules, which means that I have significantly more time on my hands than I did last year. Also, just because second year was actually just hell. You guys saw that in 4K. I haven't been studying as much as I should be, but it's that point of the semester when locking in is meant to begin, because I have a quiz next week and it's for weeks 1 through 9 content. It's only worth 1%, but it's still just I need to study, because there's nothing worse than being in an exam room and not knowing the answers to the questions. I don't know about you guys, but personally I hate that. I haven't told you guys what subjects I'm doing this semester. There's ID, which stands for infectious diseases, so that's very much like microbiome. We have triple I, so it's I, inflammation, immunity, and another I related. And then there's PAS, which is preventative medicine and addiction studies. So anyway, my class is at 1 p.m. That's the only class I have today. And other than that, I have an assignment that's due on Wednesday. I want to get done most of that today. We'll see how the day goes. I'll finish getting ready and then I guess I'll see you guys in class. You guys are so close. Why are you up in my face? I'm not the one that put you there.
Tragedy, but now I really wanna live my life, 'cause I only get this. How did you know I was so bad for my loneliness left the room this
Where they might have got it, is there something with the host that's important? Is it the environment? What's the virulence of the organism? Where is it? How is it tested? Etc, etc. But it's not too different in sexual health, and then you of course want to, I guess, take a history. Now we get, especially being in a garrison city, it didn't feel very medical, and we always get taught to use the medical terminology because we're professionals. But I mean, if you ask someone if they partake in cunnilingus, because people will not know what it is.
That's good. A couple of nerdy questions, if you don't mind, right?
Guys, we came to BP. Peach is getting fuel.
Matcha.
Are you getting a matcha?
I don't know if I am, but I'll get something. I think I'm actually in the. When you were recording yourself in the GLS,
yeah, you're
I saw myself. I zoned out, and then I just see, and I'm oh,
that's me.
So you just see me.
Full cream milk? Yes, please. Thank you. Good, how are you? Okay, nice to meet you. Hi guys, I'm with May. It's so dark on now. We're going to the gym now. Shin, what are you hitting, May?
Back and shoulders.
Okay, my body's doing back and shoulders. I'm meant to be doing legs. I think I'll do quads and glutes. And then we're going to the library after? Is that still a plan? Okay. Good morning, my divas. The sun is literally in my face. Anyways, you guys can see my bangs are still freaking wet. But I have class in a few minutes. So good morning. Did I say good morning? Oh my god, good morning guys. It's currently like 8:30 something. Today I have a PAS GLS. We've started intro to a diction, so that's pretty interesting. I have clinical skills for 30 minutes and I have a bone to pick with my uni for that. Tell me why they couldn't have combined our clinical skills last week, because it was an hour long, with this one and just made it an hour and 30. That's how long our clinical skill sessions tend to be anyway. Sometimes they're even 2 hours. Like, don't be shy guys, combine things, let's be efficient. As you guys can probably tell, I'm a zombie today. I slept for 5 hours, which is not right. Anyway, there's not much I have to say to you guys other than that. I will see you guys on campus. Hi guys, we're on a water break. Keep getting water. We're taking alcohol and drug histories. And like,
I'm very confused.
It's not.
I'm genuinely so confused because I've had to just give it to us and they're like, do it. I'm like, do what?
Yeah, there's no proper structure. Patients come in with freaking like chest pain. It's like, how am I meant to know off the bat that's a drug problem?
Like, I know I'm meant to know, but like,
Anyway, we'll go back in now. This,
it's always done.
they don't usually send them to everyone at the same time, do they? It's the same. This is not right.
Three, what practical steps reduce infection risk immediately?
Hygiene.
Fresh needles.
It's infection risk. That'd be a practical step, like education.
Like,
You educate them immediately. Put them on the spot.
I put that as like point 3.
yeah. How would you counsel on safer preparation? Use new things.
Oh, wow.
Don't share.
Don't share.
Yeah.
Be safe.
How you be safe?
Be safe. Here.
What are the actual
I don't know.
steps actually? Hi guys, we're at Delish. I'm literally just a silhouette. Peach is here too. Not a silhouette.
I am the brightness.
I'm just working on my virtual patient now. What are you doing?
My drama. I'm working on finishing my
She's
drama.
working on watching her drama. Got some food.
It's really good, guys.
Even though she's fast forwarding through the whole thing. So I'm gonna eat and then I have clinical skills at 1. It's currently like 12. So I'm gonna start on my peel as well. It's basically 11 now. I'm at the library. I'm just working on ID. So I'm reviewing like week 5 content, which is like lower respiratory tract infections, and I'm just gonna make flashcards on that, finish going through the slides, and everyone else has gone to home group. My home group is 4 p.m. Yeah, guess I will get to study and then we're going on a matcha later. So I'll get that.
they can, and you can swap them. And otherwise, the swap will be done. So we would do that can also be transmitted as well. The treatment gonorrhea is hydroxyzone with this chlamydia. And you might not go to the but ordinarily it's hydroxyzone and azithromycin. And for chlamydia, it used to be azithromycin 1 country. So we're seeing, unfortunately, resistance in treating mycoplasma. And